morning. I am Suvan under the stream of machine learning. I am going to tell about my project stream called machine learning. Before getting into that, for the project stream called machine learning, what are the tools we need? This first we have to create an environment or we call it as system. First we have to create environment or system in which the machine learning will go through. After creating an environment, we have to choose algorithm based on the project which we choose. Next, we have to choose an algorithm. Algorithm is nothing but based on the system, you choose a step-by-step process. Step-by-step process. If you choose the system, next you will choose a project based on that, you will get into a step-by-step process. After the completion of step-by-step process, you will get a model. What is this model? This model is nothing but a project model. After step-by-step process, you will get a model. This model you should go through a training. This model will be go through the training. In this training, the testing or debugging or the code detection or the code error, everything will be done. Code error, code detection, and everything, the testing and debugging, everything will be done in the training. After this, the code will be generated in a few lines, 200 to 300 lines. In that it will rectify and it will choose all this. After refining that, it will give an code. For this code, we have to add some framework. That framework will be giving a code up. See, this is the code. Simply if we implement the code, nothing will be done. If we give the framework, it will be in a particular manner. After the framework is done, the evaluation will be done. The evaluation, final step. After this all, how the project is. Is there any errors or is there any rectification? Everything will be done in this evaluation. After the evaluation, the final code will be generated. In that final code, after every step, the code will be checked. It is created, it is true or false. Next, algorithm is created step by step, or model is trained well, or is there any mistake. Next, character framework is generated or not. Based on that evaluation in evaluation, is there any errors? It will refine. Every step in the refining. After this refining, the final project will be done. For example, see, I have told you the steps. How these steps will be implemented in real-time project evaluation. If you took real-time emotion detection. If it is just an example project which I am going to tell you. In this, first we have to create an environment in which the machine learning will work or not. Environment will be created. After this, for this environment, you have to choose some frequency levels. It means tools. You have to choose some frequency levels or tools. That will be deep learning or CNN. convolutional neural networks, which is a branch of ANN, artificial neural networks. We have to choose these networks in an environment. After choosing this, you will get some tools. You will get some tools. Based on that tools, you have to form a code. In that code, you will use some libraries like PyTorch, OpenCV, or some like APIs, and so on, etc. These will be used and code will be built. The main will be done open computer vision. In this, the face will be cropped. This is the body, only the face will be cropped, and certain pixel amount will be generated in this frame. After generating this, the tools will generate, code will be done. We will use some framework libraries like stream machine learning libraries. We have stream machine learning libraries will be used in the code. After that, we will come to a final evaluation. In this evaluation, whatever you have done, CNN or tools, based on the tools, you have to model training. How you have trained the model, how it will be done, and finally evaluation. Based on this, the everything will be scanned and it will give the final project by the refining. It will refine everything and it will give the final project. That project will be detecting the emotions, whatever it may be, happy, sad.